Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad and welcome back to this series of Learning Python for Everyone. Hope you're enjoying and learning these videos and be able to understand quite a bit in Python. In the last few videos, we were talking about errors in Python. Now we were saying that to be able to make a mistake is not a big deal in programming, but to be able to identify it and debug it is something that is credible for any programmer. The things that we have discussed earlier is zero division error, syntax error, and this time we'll do something called name error. As the name suggests, it is an error that occurs when you accidentally try to name a variable wrong, such as I'm doing name is equal to Muhammad Asad Bilal Fayaz, and then I want to print it out with a big N, such as this. Now, remember, Python is very specific with its letters. A small n and a big N are two different things in Python. So let me run this out. If I run it, it will say name error. It's saying that the name, this with a big capital, is not defined. And it is already giving you a suggestion that did you mean a name with a small n? So let's try with a small n and then run it. You see, no error here. Similarly, if you want to, let's say, print out another thing, let's say a number. Now, you haven't defined a number yet, did you? If you run this one, it would say name error. Name, this number is not defined. Now, as you can see, there is no suggestion here because it couldn't find anything similar with the name number in your code. So this is what a name error is in Python. Now, go on, pause the video and try to write a variable with a certain name and print it out with a different name and see if it works for you. Well then, if you're able to do it. If not, do comment on the video and tell me what problem did you get so we can discuss it properly and see where the problem is coming in. Because remember, making a mistake is not a big deal. To be able to identify it and debug, that's where the real game is. Till then, keep practicing, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.